no makeup on. It's just me and y'all. Get comfy. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, jabronis? Hey, Banja.
How y'all doing?
So, I've been tasked by the rest of the girls to make a Vlogmas Christmas intro for the homies. That's you. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully I actually shoot enough to make this interesting. But I got my Mac. I've got my Mac. I've got my mic.
Child.
It's 2 a.m. so if I'm a little strange, that's why. We're gonna do and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas parody. I'm yet to decide whether or not I want to just scoop a karaoke track and just lay some vocals on that.
Y'all hear that?
I don't think we're gonna do that. Y'all, this might just be a long night. We might just have to break out the keyboard. Right, so I've got out the piano. I'm gonna see if I can record a good take of this. If not, we're gonna backtrack profusely. We got a cheeky, I probably shouldn't be talking because I'm recording now, but we got a cheeky little metronome. Why am I British? I really couldn't tell you. You know, I'm gonna have to re-record this because that was so much talking.
Definitely, I thought it was fun. I like the beat.
Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, hi. So in a fun turn of events, the piano stuff, while doable, is way too damn hard. So I'm not going to be doing that. Instead, I found a track online that I like, instrumental track, to the Perry Como karaoke version of It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. So we're just gonna go from there. We're just gonna use that. Every time I say something, I think, maybe you should apologize. And then I think, but why? Moving on.
Y'all hear that?
I think I'm gonna try to lay some focus down.
I just hit an Ariana Grande note.
That was really bad. Let's see how this goes. It's beginning to look a lot like Vlogmas with a band of girls on your own front screen. I don't like it. Let's try again. She thought she had seen a ghost.
Gemma thinks she has seen a ghost.
But the prettiest sight you'll see is the baddies that will be on your own front screen. Let's play it back. Let's play it back and listen. I don't like the way I said screen. I don't hate it, but if you're asking if I love it, the answer is no, mate. So, we're gonna try again until we like it. I got a take that I liked. So I'm now doing the background vocals. And I figured I'd just show me recording some of those. Vlogmas. I didn't like that. Vlogmas. Another thing is I drop the S's on the end of words, especially at the end of words when I re-record vocals, especially for backing vocals, because the main vocals usually have more than enough S, and sometimes they can be really hard to time when you're trying to get your vocals all in sync. So you could have, oh, the main phrase is all at the same time, but then you have a bunch of trailing S's, just like Vlogmas, and it's terrible. I'm just gonna be dropping all of the S's when I re-record the vocals, so Vlogma, and with the band of girl, just a little explanation. Vlogmas with the band of girl. That'll do. That'll do. I think I want to quadruple the other two as well, because actually that sounds quite nice. Sounds very full, which is what I'm going for. Hopefully, when I do my amateur mixing of this, it sounds okay. Vlogmas with a band of girls. I don't think that's the one that I did before. Vlogmas with a band of girls. With a band of girls. Not bad. It will do. It will do. I had mouth sounds right at the beginning of that take. And that's a no-no. I'm gonna try to do like 4 more of a different kind of harmony. Vlog. Ew. Disgusting.
Disgusting!
Vlogmas with a band of girls. That's not what I was intending to do, but I kinda like that, so I'm gonna keep that.
Definitely, I thought it was fun. I like the beat.
So I've actually finished the recording process, and now I just have to mix what I have and master it. Listen, I'm gonna say this clear and plain as day. Plain and clear as day. It's early, late, it's almost 6 a.m. Besides the point.
Child. Anyway, so.
What? I'm not a producer. I'm just gonna be real with you. I don't produce. I'm flying by the seat of my pants right now. If it fails, it fails. I just wanted to take you on this journey with me.
I just hit an Ariana Grande note.
Alright, homies. It's 6:45 a.m. I've finally completed the song. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to join our Banja, which is family in Nyanja. So it's pretty sick, pretty tight. Ring the bell if you want to see more videos of not me and actually people who are interesting, like my sisters. That way you'll know every time we post. There's a very good reason why I'm not the person who does most of these videos. Anyway, if you want to hear the song, you just gotta stay tuned. I hope you all enjoy it. It's beginning to look a lot like Vlogmas with a band of girls. And the prettiest sight you'll see are the baddies that will be on your own front screen.